Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm pack my bag and I'll say shit.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Angie. This is all of Angie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So we're gonna get right into this video, guys. Today is gonna be a maintenance day, guys. I have literally been slacking on my self-care and my maintenance for a minute now, just because the past month, January, was kind of like busy, especially after the holidays and stuff, just trying to get everything back in order and stuff like that. So definitely slacked on my self-care. So today we're doing nails, we're doing my toes, we're doing these eyebrows, guys. Do you see my eyebrows? This is horrendous. We're getting a wax, a Brazilian wax. My hair is getting done, so it's just time for me to get back on my ish. So I wanted to bring you guys along today on a nice and sweet, simple little maintenance vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you are not already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up, guys, and comment down below what is your favorite part of your self-care or your maintenance day. Do you love getting your nails done, your eyebrows done, your waxes? Tell me what your favorite thing about your maintenance days are. And yeah, so first up, like I said, is nails. So we're gonna do our nails on our toes. Let's go ahead and get inside.
Swam now with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities, for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like.
All right, guys, so the nails are done. As you guys can see, it's like kind of bright, but I just went with just a basic nude acrylic and then like a pink outline slash like tip a little bit. I love it. Next stop is our wax, and I am so nervous, guys, because like I said earlier, January was just super hectic, so I literally did not go and get a wax in January. My last wax was on December 30th. I went right before New Year's, so thankfully I've been getting waxed for a long time, so like my hair isn't like crazy. But when you go a long time without getting a wax and then you have to go get a wax, it's like I literally feel like it's gonna freaking hurt, like my first time ever getting a Brazilian. So yeah, I'm just super freaking nervous. I am so nervous, but it gotta get done. So we're gonna head over to the wax. I'm not gonna take you guys into the actual room just because they have certain policies with like recording in the actual room when you're getting your wax done. So I'll show you guys the wax studio and stuff, and then I will check back in with you guys once we are finished with our wax.
Look at her. Look at the mama, man. Look.
Guys, the wax is done. It was not as bad as I expected it to be. After the first couple of pulls, I was like, okay, boom, I'm straight, like I'm good. So wax was done. It was not that bad. I'm super happy that I finally got it done. I'm starting to feel like myself again. Like nails done, toes done, wax done. And now next up is eyebrows. So that is probably gonna be, yeah, that's the last thing on our list for today is our eyebrows. So and then I will check back in with you guys once I'm done.
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby.
It is about 2 days later. Yeah, 2 days later. So last time we left off, the eyebrows was getting done. Eyebrows are done. Nails are still very much popping. My toes are still good. Kitty is sitting nice and pretty with my wax. So today is nap day. Okay, we getting this hair done today. I'm getting my braids. I'm getting some knotless braids. I'm so excited. I love having my hair braided. I just love it. It's so easy. You just wake up in the morning. Literally, if you want to restyle it, do your edges real quick and call it a day. So getting my hair braided. As you guys can see, my hair is like still styled. The girl that I go to, her name is Erica. She's done my braids. This is probably going to be like her 5th time braiding my hair, and she did locks on me. My first time ever getting locks, like some crochet locks. But yeah, she's the only person that I go to for any type of knotless braids or locks. She also washes your hair, blow dries your hair, and includes the hair. You don't gotta do nothing but come to the appointment and bring you some snacks. So that is another reason why that is the only person that I go to for my braids. But as I said, I'm getting some knotless braids today. I will show you guys a little bit of the process, and also I will show you guys what it looks like when we finish. My appointment is at 1:30. It is 1:22. I'm sitting in the parking lot. But yeah, so I'll show you guys a little bit of the process, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we finish this hair.
Private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this, record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on the scene, think you know your girl is so funny to me. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
Alright you guys, so it is the next day. I forgot to close the vlog out last night. Pretty much she finished my hair at like 6:45, so it took about 5 hours, which is amazing for the size box braids I got. You guys can see they're not big and they're long, like they're to my ass. They're not huge and they're also not too small. They're medium. So 5 hours for this length, I feel like, and for this amount of braids was amazing. She did her thing per usual. So yeah, I got home. My camera battery actually died when I was at the salon still because I was getting some clips, so I couldn't close out the vlog when I got back home. But I just wanted to come to you guys. I wanted to close out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance vlog with me. We did our eyebrows, we did our nails, toes, wax, and we did our hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure, again, if you are not already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.